Memory and having a good memory is very important in life because it increases the efficiency of the learning process, your brain works better, and minimizes your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. You will be more successful if you remember what you have learned and if you can blend what you have learned with what you already know. You don't have direct access to information and you become a more effective communicator because you remember details. Remembering quotes and explaining the details of a topic effectively will add charisma to your charisma. Remembering what you read, remembering phone numbers, remembering, for example, chess opening variations, remembering your communication routines, remembering dates like birthdays, remembering trivial things, is like a superpower in many ways. Most people don't remember what they ate in the morning, they don't remember something they have read 100 times, and they don't remember simple phone numbers. Your memory is the key to your success. In the movie Limitless, Eddie Mara had full access to his memory and all the information he learned came to him like a weapon at his disposal, and the power of memory, together with laser focus, made his charisma skyrocket. The stronger your memory and the broader your general knowledge, the more people can't resist your charm. Your arguments are strong and your self-belief is firm. By combining the present and the past, you gain a kind of superpower. Your academic success increases and, most importantly, when learning a foreign language, your memory speeds up the process so much that you can easily remember the words and rules. If you know and remember the origin of words, the language they come from and other subtle details, you are a genius. This is an achievable and attainable goal. To strengthen memory, you need to start with simple exercises. For example, writing numbers on a piece of paper and seeing how many you can memorize. It's not bad if you can hold 7 to 8 numbers, but the goal is to be able to hold 16 to 17 numbers in a row. It's memorizing a phone number the first time you hear it. It's remembering a date and a small detail. Not forgetting recipes, bodybuilding moves, dance moves. Memorizing the names of important people and new acquaintances. In this way, you start to rise above average people with your strong memory. Your learning process accelerates 2 to 3 times faster and you learn more. Memory is something that can be developed and improved. It contributes to your quick thinking reflexes. In academic exams, you can easily remember formulas and information and finish the exam quickly. You are on your way to becoming an academic genius and a successful superior male. From now on, if you learn things with laser-like focus and full attention, you are less likely to forget. It is harder to forget when your mind is clear and your brain is working like a machine. Your attention should always be on your surroundings and you should avoid absent-mindedness. You should stay away from stress and other distressing things. Your attention should always be on your surroundings to take your memory beyond incredible. You have to have a memory like a specially trained agent. You have to be like someone who has no chance of forgetting. To test your memory, for example, you delete the names of everyone in the phone book. You remember the names from the numbers and write them down in your brain, not writing anything down. You can increase the event according to your performance. Learning by writing and repeating during the learning process contributes to your recall. So you need to categorize the information well so that it is easier for you to remember with some categorical effects. You should increase your access to information with some coding by accessing your subconscious mind. You need to constantly challenge your memory and trust your memory. You should constantly practice your memory. For example, you can read a book and write a summary of it, or you can write a summary of an article from memory. You have to keep your short and long-term memory alive. A man with a bad memory is a parasite, and never be a parasite, constantly improve, my friends.